Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to add custom menu to your Electron.js desktop application. I already have my Electron.js simple basic application. If you don't know, I am going to open with Visual Studio Code and show you. If you don't know how to create basic application in Electron.js, you can go and watch my video on creating basic Electron.js application. This is simple Electron.js application. Just enable the terminal. I am going to show you basic and default Electron.js desktop application, and then after I will show you how to make your own custom menus inside the Electron.js. You can see these are the menu which came along with the basic desktop application, but we are going to make our own custom desktop icons. Suppose you can see the menus, edit, undo, review. Simply close it and go inside the index.js, and inside the create window function, just first of all we have to create a template. So I'm writing const template, simply the menu template equal to, here first of all we have to give a label. Label is simply the heading of showing the content inside the menu. Suppose for example I'm naming it label 1. Okay, and after label we have to create submenu below that. So right here submenu is to, we have to define our submenu. To define the submenu, there are two methods. One is simply if you want to choose the predefined menus which are already defined, suppose at undo, redo, cut, select, copy, paste, and there are much more menus which are already present. And so in order to use that, simply write role, and suppose undo is predefined. Okay, next can be role is to cut, and then after role is to close. These are the predefined menu options. I am going to show you how this will work. Just simply type npm run start inside your terminal to check out how it's, oh sorry, it will not works. Okay, wait, let it run, but it will not work. I'm sorry, it will not work. We have to define the menus. This is a simple one. Below here, just below here, type const menu equal to Just I am increasing the size so you can see it clearly. Menu is equal to menu dot build from template, and we have to write the template name and just menu template. This is our template name. And below it we have to write menu dot set application menu and menu. And first of all you have to change something here. I already have written, but if you don't have written it, then write here menu, so it can call the menu module from the Electron. Now save it and open your terminal. First of all close. You can see here nothing changes because of that mistake, so close it and again type npm run start to see how it works. Okay, menu template is not defined, sorry. There is little mistake. Wait. Okay, the problem is we have to define this inside the create window function. I have just declared outside of it, so it's generated the error. Just go and cut and paste inside it. Now save it. Okay, terminate the job and again. Okay, you can see there is only one label, and inside that label it's showing undo, cut and close, and you can see the predefined shortcut keys are here. I am going to show you how to make your own label and own custom name. Just watch it. Just I'm going to create a new label. Label 2, and inside the submenu suppose I'm going to create my own submenu. Suppose that it having the label label like something. Okay, and we have to define accelerator for our label. If you don't define accelerator, it will show nothing on the menu. I will show you how it looks like. Suppose first of all I will show you accelerator and without accelerator both. Accelerator is simply the shortcut commands given to the label, and at last we have to write our role. Role is simply the label name, and you can change it, but actually the rule is what it has to do. Just now I'm writing something the same. Okay, just create another submenu. Label is to suppose I write print. Label is to print, and just I'm not writing the accelerator, only the role. It will not show and role is also print. Control S. Now you can see, as I have not mentioned the accelerator in here, it might generate error or it will not show it properly. You can see the label too, and something and print. Okay, something and print. This is our predefined menu. In this way you can make your predefined custom menu, and in my next video I will show you how to create menu using the IPC or the render